Hey guys, I'm Carson with Studio McKay, and in this 5-minute tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can create a product video using items that you can find around the house. So if you're ready, let's get started. Now, if you've been staying up with my latest videos, you'll notice that I've been doing quite a few product videos lately, and so in the course of filming these, I've learned a few tips and tricks that I would like to share with you guys today. Alright, so there's a few things you're going to need, starting with this clear elastic string. You're also going to want to use some masking tape or gaff tape. And even if you don't have clear elastic, you can always use some sort of a stretchy string like this. And we can use an old long sleeve sock to get rotating shots just like this one. So what you'll want to do is take the base of the sock and place the heaviest part of the object, in this case a camera, on top of the base and gently pull on the sleeve to turn the camera counterclockwise. We can also use some tape and the clear elastic or stretchy string to secure it to the base of the camera so that we can move it in any direction we want and it's less noticeable than the sock, though do bear in mind that these movements may be less fluid and it'll take a little bit more practice to get it down. But you can end up with some pretty cool looking shots like this one. And if we reverse it, we can end up with shots that look like this. Now you'll notice that we do see the clear elastic in the shot, so we can go ahead and mask that area out in our video editing software and apply a blur to it. Another trick we can use is stop motion to make objects look like they're moving on their own. In this case, I set my camera to the time-lapse setting and moved the object during the intervals where the camera was not taking pictures. We can also find textured bases that we can set our product on and move the base so that we don't see our hands in the shot. I would recommend looking through your house for any objects that have really cool textures that you can set your product down on to get unique shots. In a kitchen, you can find cooking pans, baking sheets, and cutting boards to set your object on to give a unique look. Also look at furniture and anything else that has a really cool texture to add more interest to your shot. Alright guys, lastly, make sure to get as many shots of your product as possible. Get as many unique angles as you can and plan out your final video so that you have an idea of what you want your video to look like. Alright guys, that's it for this week. If you have any further questions, go ahead, let me know in the comments, and I will see you guys in the next video.